Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we'll see that how you can adjust the tension of drive chain. And here if you'll see, there is lot of play here. It is very loose and it will create noise whenever you will ride this motorcycle. It will touch the main stand, it will make noise, and in worst case this chain will sometime come outside from this sprocket. So how to adjust this one? So for adjusting the chain, first you have to lose this axle nut. Here it is of 22 mm. So I have to lose it. Yeah. It is loose. Don't lose it completely. It is more than enough. Now this is the adjuster nut, and here we have to remove its lock first. So one is 14 mm here and another one is 12 mm. So we have to first remove the lock. Just hold one nut like this and just rotate the another one. Okay, so yeah, it's loose now. Now we have to tied this nut, inside nut, in such a way that we will get the proper tension of the chain. So we have to see it. Yes, and yes, and you have to see how much tension you want. You have to adjust according to that one. Still slag is there, so I'm adjusting it. And if you'll see, this axle is coming backside. Okay, so you have to adjust it. You see how chain is coming, and this is the proper slag here. It is in proper condition now. Okay, so this is enough. Now we will lock this nut here. We reach the proper tension of the chain. Yes, we will lock this one. If you will not lock these two nuts, then these nuts will come outside. And if you'll see, where we adjusted, where we done this setting, so we have to adjust like this, that side also, otherwise the alignment of the wheel will be spoiled. So just see the gap, how much gap is there. So we have to adjust according to this one. Okay, like this, and that side also. Or you can adjust by seeing the length of this adjuster. So here it is 13 mm approx from the last nut. So you can use any method. Either you can follow this line here, or you can follow the length of this adjuster. So here I am getting 10, 11, 12, 13 mm. So here also I will repeat this same process. And here this is the single axle system, and here we don't have half axle. So here we have to just loosen only one nut. So here I am rotating it, and we'll see this line. So we have to take reference of this line, or we can take a reference 13 mm here. Both sides should be equal. So right now it is around 10 mm. So now you can see it is 11, and again we have to reach 13 mm. If this is not equal on both sides, then wheel will be not straight and it will be unbalanced. It will be difficult to ride that like of motorcycle. So you have to take care of this one. So I think it reached 12. Yeah, 1 mm more. So yeah, I think this is the perfect. Yes, we reached 13 mm, and after that we can just lock this nut here. So our adjustment is over. Just we have to tighten this nut. If you will forget to tighten this nut, then it will be very big safety issue. So you have to tighten this nut back. Perfect. So in this way you can adjust the chain of your motorcycle very easily, and this is single axle and you have to lubricate it after adjustment. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and at last thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.